The costly mistakes that I had learned and I had experienced. By the end of this talk, you should be able to decide if you want to start your own business or just get a franchise. Alright? So, may mga students, no? Ano yung course nyo? Anong... Tourism. Alright. Meron ba dito nga, gusto nyo ba mag-business or okay lang yan? Kasi may share ko na my experience, definitely makaka-relate din kayo, no? Franchise owners or business owners, mga would-be franchisees, that's good. Miss Rachel, hello, one of our franchisees from the Daily Detox. Sige. Next slide na natin. So nasabi ko na yung yung ating hook for you. Now, I want you to think back to an exam, lalo na may mga estudyante dito. Kapag may exam kayo, nasa over 60, no? Tapos 59 ang natama nyo, may one mistake. Anong una nyong tinitignan? Or ano yung una nyong talagang pinoproblema? Di ba? Yung one mistake, di ba? Tama? Hindi mo naman sinasabi na, wow, 59, natama ako, ang galing-galing ko naman. Grabe ang tali-talino ko, yes. Hindi ka ganun, di ba? You always focus on your mistakes. No? Doon talaga nag-i-air yung ating, kumbaga, interest and curiosity. Bakit ka nagkamali, di ba? You wanna know why. So, next slide, please. So, we don't remember the correct answers. Right? We remember the red marks, the mistakes, mga pagkakamali natin. Diba? And yun ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo dahil yun lang din ang naaalala ko. Okay? So, next slide. So, business is the same. Okay?